So all we need is olive oil, salt and pepper, and this one is optional. All right, and we will cook it using the microwave. So we'll just slice our potatoes. Alright استني بدي احط الأوليف اويل. بدي شكب كتير. Oh my god كتير صعب هذا نحط. Okay, so I'll try to even out the oil. Okay. Alright, so now all we need to do is add the salt and pepper and the paprika, and then we will just microwave it for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Right, perfect. Let's microwave it. I'm scared. Actually, you can microwave it for 20 minutes to obtain a very crispy texture. But I'm afraid that it will break the plate. For the second attempt, I will, because we finished the first one, I will use the potato spice. Hi, it's been like almost 7 minutes. The oil starts to boil sometimes. يعني you can put it for 20 minutes and make real chips, but I'm always worried, like usually I use the microwave for 5 seconds to 10 to 15. So I don't know. Perfect. It has been 10 minutes and the plate didn't crack. So I say you can safely put it for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's really delicious. This is the second plate and I made another 2 potatoes. See, I made another batch because I really enjoyed the chips and everyone in the family is liking it. So it's healthy and perfectly delicious.